Hello, my name is Murthy and this is my final project as a part of csci e90 fall 2019, and I'm going to use certain logos which are basically part of this presentation only, and these logos belong to respective companies. In this case it is a Harvard logo belongs to Harvard. What we are going to see in next few minutes is talk about a little bit around DevOps and using Ansible and what are the components of Ansible, and finally we wrap up with a short demo. So DevOps, as we all know, that it is basically a combination of the people, processes, and along with the various tools to automate the process and improve the productivity. So as we can see here, like from the definition, we want to automate in a typical DevOps. How can we do it? That is where Ansible comes in, and Ansible is a configuration management which we can use it as a part of SSH. It is a Python based one, so you don't need to know Python, and the syntax for all the playbooks we are going to write will be used in using YAML format. It is very easy to use as a part of automation. There are various components are there as a part of Ansible playbook, like tasks, handlers, variables, inventories, and so on, to help to create the playbooks and execute them from Ansible engine or Ansible tower. As a part of any development, we need a repository to store our changes and track any changes whatever we're making along with version control. Ansible Tower is a production ready solution which we are not going to use it in demo. We are going to use the Ansible engine, which is more like command level. Ansible Tower is an enterprise ready solution for production workloads. You can use it with a web based one with role based access control along with job scheduling, analytics, and so on. Features are available. So the demo we are going to see is pretty much around AWS, how I can manage and monitor AWS metadata and information from the Ansible in case I want to deploy, for example, a web publication or database and so on. So I have created 3 instances. One of them is control node, that is where I'm running my Ansible, and remaining 2 are managed nodes or target nodes, that is where I'm going to run my like web applications or databases or whatever we need. As a part of this solution, I created a user ADM with a pseudo privileges on these 2 nodes. So let us dive in to our demo, and of course this is a prototype only. It is not a production ready solution what we are going to see. Now here you can see I have 2 screens. On the left hand side you can see AWS, and that is where I'm pretty much created 3 AC2 instances with a t2.micro one, and one of them is Ansible control, and remaining 2 are host 1 and host 2. And once these instances are up and running, and I'm able to connect them from my Mac terminal, as you can see here I have 3 tabs are open. One of them is like a control node, which is a brownish background, and green one and white one are pretty much around managed nodes. From the control node, I already installed Ansible, and here I can execute and connect those 2 managed nodes to see that they are up and running. Before up and running, I need to make sure they are using proper SSH keys. That is where I copy the public key from my control node to managed node. For example, if I want to like ping these 2 managed nodes from the control node, you can see that I'm executing it from the control node and I can connect them. And of course, same thing, I can execute various commands as well. And that is what you can see in this short demo. See you later. Thanks for your time, and please ping me if you have any questions off the line. Bye now.